Hi friends, welcome to the PowerShell recipes tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to replace text in a string. So let's get started. Now the first thing that you do is that you open PowerShell, obviously. Once you do that, the next thing that you do is that let's create a string first and let's call it hello PowerShell. Let's say we want to replace hello with, let's say we want to replace it with bye. So how do we do that? Type in dot replace and we are saying hello, and in here I will specify bye. Now this is the string hello PowerShell. We are saying we are using the dot replace, or we are using the replace function, and we are saying take this string which is hello, which is this string in here hello, and we are saying replace that with this bye. So if we press enter, you can see that now it says bye PowerShell instead of hello, so it replaced it. So this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is, let's say we want to swap it. So in here, if we say hello PowerShell, and then let's say we want to say we want it to say PowerShell hello, so we use the replace option, and then we are saying use everything, and also this I will explain it in a few seconds, but first I will type it. After that is done, I will say take this and replace it with, take the second one and swap it with the first one. So this is the string hello PowerShell. So I'm saying I'm using the replace option. So what this means is that dot asterisk means use as many characters as there are. So this covers this hello, there is this space which covers this space, and then this string in here, this dot asterisk covers this PowerShell in here, this one. So what it says is it says take this hello and then take this PowerShell, and after that first put the second one, which is this one in here. So this $2, that's what it means, and then $1, it means this first one. So what it says, take the second one, so take second one is PowerShell in here, this one, and use it first, then use the first one, which is hello. So now if I press enter, you can see that it says PowerShell hello. It basically, what it did was that it reversed it. Now the next thing that we can do is that, let's say we are saying so let's type something like PowerShell, and let's say we want to change PowerShell with powerful. So we want to replace shell with full. How do we do that? You're saying select shell, and then after you select it, change it to full. So if I press enter, now you can see that PowerShell, which was this one, you're using the replace option in here. We're saying take the shell, which is this part in here, and we are saying replace it with full. So this is full in here. So it takes shell and replaces it with full. So that's why now it says powerful. But what if there are some special characters in it? Things like this. You can see that these mean things, something in PowerShell. Or let's use this one in here. Now you can see that. So we use this special characters in here, these brackets in here. Now you can see that when we are trying to replace shell, so if you put, let me change it again. So if we say replace shell with shell, you can see that even though we are saying replace it, the shell, it is not replacing these brackets. So why doesn't it do it? Because these are considered special characters. So if you want to treat them like regular strings, we want them to be treated as regular strings and not as special characters. What we can do is that we can put a backslash in front of them. Now if we press enter, you can see that shell gets changed to full. So this is it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one.